In the past month alone, this educational kids channel has achieved remarkable success, earning anywhere from $800 to $13,000 by posting engaging faceless animated videos on a wide range of topics. For instance, one of their videos about naming fruits has amassed an impressive 43 million views. This demonstrates the significant potential of animated faceless content in capturing a vast audience's attention. In this guide, I'll reveal a method that allows you to create such animated videos easily and at no cost using my most effective approach to date. And the best part? This method is versatile and can be applied to any niche. To start, the first step is to generate your video ideas. There are two effective strategies for this. The first approach involves brainstorming ideas on your own. If you have a creative flair and can come up with original concepts, that's fantastic. Just go ahead and brainstorm your ideas. However, if you find it challenging to generate ideas on your own, don't worry. The second approach involves utilizing ChatGPT to help you out. Simply head over to ChatGPT and use the following prompt. Give me 20 simple video ideas for a niche educational faceless channel. Replace niche with your specific niche, for example, kids, and press enter. ChatGPT will provide you with 20 insightful and diverse video ideas tailored to your niche. Once you have a solid list of video ideas, the next step is to create your video scripts. You can approach this task in two ways as well. The first method is to write the scripts yourself using a tool like Google Docs. If you feel confident in your script writing abilities and prefer to draft them on your own, go for it. However, if script writing isn't your strong suit, or if you'd rather streamline the process, you can use ChatGPT for assistance. On ChatGPT, use the following prompt. Write me a short script for an educational YouTube video titled Insert Title, and the video should describe the content, include key elements, and outline the flow, with the target audience being Insert Target Audience. For instance, if your video is titled Name the Fruits, your prompt would be, write me a short script for an educational YouTube video titled Name the Fruits. The video should include basic fruits, demonstrate how to name them, and explain how to spell them. The target audience is kids. Press enter, and ChatGPT will generate a well-crafted script tailored to your needs. By following these steps, you can efficiently create captivating animated faceless videos for any niche, leveraging the tools and methods provided to produce high-quality content that engages and educates your audience. Whether you decide to use the ChatGPT script, create your own script, or edit the script to fit your needs better, once you have your script, it's time to move on to the next step. For the sake of this tutorial, to make it very easy and digestible, I've created my own script. Now, the next thing you need to do is create the characters for your animation. We will be using Canva for this purpose. Once on Canva, come over to the section where you can search for YouTube video and hit enter. Click on Create a blank YouTube video, and you'll be taken to a scene where you can start creating the characters. This part is super easy and fun because you get to be really creative. For our video about fruits, we need 3 fruits, an apple, an orange, and a pear. First, you need to get these elements. Go to the Elements section, search for the fruit you want, e.g. apple, and click on Graphics. Scroll through the options and choose the apple you prefer. Do the same for the other fruits. Once you've created your fruit characters, they might look a bit plain on their own. To enhance their appearance and give them more personality, you'll want to add some distinct body parts. Here's how you can transform your fruits into lively characters. 1. Add cartoon feet. Go to the Elements section and search for cartoon feet. Browse through the options and select the feet that best fit your fruit character. Position and adjust the feet onto your fruit character. If the feet appear in front of the fruit, for example if they overlap the apple, right-click on the feet, select Layer, and then click Send Backwards to move the feet behind the apple. 2. Add cartoon arms. Similarly, search for cartoon arms in the Elements section. Choose the arms that complement your character and adjust them onto your fruit character. Position the arms so they align well with the rest of your character. 3. Add a face. Search for cartoon face in the Elements section. Select a face that matches the style you're aiming for and adjust it to fit your character. Ensure that the face is proportionate and aligned with the rest of the body parts. Make sure the legs are facing the same direction to ensure consistency in animation. If needed, click on Crop to create one leg, then duplicate it and adjust the duplicate as necessary. 4. Duplicate and adjust. To streamline the process, start by duplicating your initial character. This way, you only need to make the necessary adjustments to each duplicate to fit your specific design requirements. 5. Finalize and download. Once you've completed all your characters and are satisfied with their appearance, it's time to download them. Click on the Share button, select Download, and choose the PNG format from the available options to ensure a high-quality transparent background for your characters. By following these steps, you'll be able to turn simple fruit illustrations into engaging and animated characters that can bring your videos to life. The next phase involves animating your characters. For this, use a tool called Animated Drawings, link provided in the description. Begin by uploading the photos of each of your characters into the tool. After uploading, click Next to move to the next step. Here, select one character to fine-tune the animation settings. Ensure that the entire character is clearly outlined within the tool. Make any necessary adjustments to the key points or outlines to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, click Next to generate the animation. The tool allows you to add approximately 30 different types of animations to represent a variety of movements. To download the animations, you need to adjust the size settings. Click on the three dots icon and select Download. Repeat this downloading process for all your characters and their corresponding movements. After you've successfully downloaded all your animations, the next step is to focus on adding voiceovers to your video. For this, use 11 Labs. Start by selecting a voice that suits your project from the available options. Make any necessary adjustments to the voice settings to fit your needs. Then input your script into the tool. Generate the voiceovers and download the audio files. If your script requires different voices for different sections, repeat this process for each part of the script, ensuring to use different voices if needed. Once you have all your voiceovers ready, it's time to return to Canva. Upload all the files you've previously downloaded, including the voiceovers and animations. Start by adding a blank page to your project. Choose a background from the Elements section and adjust it to your preference. Place your characters into the scene, making sure to remove any white backgrounds from the animations. Adjust the positioning of the characters as needed to ensure they fit well within the scene. Next, add text to match your script. Click on Text, select the heading, and paste your script into the text box. Make sure to adjust the text to fit within your scene, ensuring that it is readable and appropriately aligned with the visuals. Upload your voiceovers into Canva, then adjust the timing of the audio tracks to sync perfectly with the animations. If needed, split the audio into segments to fit different parts of your video. Duplicate pages for additional scenes, making necessary changes to characters and movements, and update the text and audio accordingly. Finally, incorporate background music from Pixabay, adjust the music's volume to complement the voiceovers and animations, and make any additional edits to finalize your project.